E-commerce is booming in 2025, and there's never been a better time to start your dropshipping business. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to launch your store and make your first sales. No inventory, no headaches. Hey, I'm Mr. H, and I help aspiring entrepreneurs create successful online businesses. If you're serious about starting your e-commerce journey, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Today, I'll cover the latest trends in e-commerce for 2025, choosing a profitable niche, finding trustworthy suppliers, setting up your store, and the best strategies for driving traffic. Let's get started. Dropshipping in 2025 is all about selling products online without holding inventory. Suppliers ship products directly to your customers, and you keep the profit margin. 2025 trends in dropshipping. Emphasis on eco-friendly and sustainable products. Faster shipping options, with local suppliers becoming more common. 2025 is the year of personalization and high-demand niches. Choose a niche that resonates with specific customer needs or passions. Tips for choosing a niche. Use AI-powered tools like ChatGPT plugins or niche analyzers. Focus on evergreen categories like health, tech, accessories, or sustainable fashion. Example: niches for 2025, smart home devices, eco-friendly pet products, and digital detox tools. Reliable suppliers ensure your customers get their products on time, which is crucial for building trust in 2025's competitive market. Recommended platforms in 2025: AliExpress and CJ Dropshipping for international suppliers, Spocket and Zendrop for faster, local delivery, Fair for eco-conscious and artisanal products. Pro tip: partner with suppliers, offering bulk discounts as you scale. Step-by-step guide. Choose a platform like Shopify, BigCommerce, or Wix in 2025. Use AI website builders to save time and create professional designs. Add AI-generated product descriptions for better SEO and conversions. And don't forget to optimize your store for mobile users. Pro tip: leverage Shopify's new AI assistant to personalize customer shopping experiences. Free traffic strategies. Post short-form videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts showcasing product demos. Build a community using Discord or Telegram. Utilize influencer partnerships, even with micro-influencers. Paid traffic strategies. Use Meta ads and TikTok ads for precise targeting. AI-driven Google Ads campaigns for automatic optimization. Retargeting with dynamic product ads based on abandoned cart data. Pro tip: invest in email marketing automation to nurture leads with AI-generated personalized messages. Scaling strategies for 2025. Automate fulfillment using dropshipping apps. Add upsells and cross-sells to increase your average order value. Diversify income by offering subscription boxes or digital products. Motivational note: remember, scaling is a process. Test different strategies and keep what works. Recap: starting an e-commerce dropshipping business in 2025 is easier than ever with the right tools and strategies. From finding your niche to scaling your store, it's all about taking consistent action. CTA. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe for more e-commerce tips, and drop a comment below to let me know your biggest takeaway. Let's build your dream business together.